I'm Nikita.
Hello.
And I welcome you under the initiative of Thoughts of Education College India. And I have with me Aditya sir, and he's the Assistant Professor of Chemistry Department at GSFC University. Sir, I would request you to introduce yourself.
Yes, hello. I am Aditya Puranik. I am an Assistant Professor of Chemistry and I joined GSFC University in 2019. So I teach chemistry in undergraduate programs in BSc Chemistry, BSc Industrial Chemistry, as well as MSc Chemistry.
So sir, as we are here in the lab, I would request you to describe the lab facilities that you provide here and what kind of activities do you run here?
Right, so as you can see, right, so we are in the instrument lab of chemistry. So here we have different sophisticated instruments that are mainly used by MSc chemistry students since they already have some kind of background in chemistry. So we have procured a variety of instruments. The instrument which you can see over here is an autolab potentiostat. It is used for corrosion studies. Along with that, we also have visible spectrophotometer, we have procured fluorescence spectrophotometer, and gas chromatography and HPLC instruments will also be procured and they will be coming soon. So this facility is mainly for the students who have gone to internships or who are doing their MSc chemistry. They can basically use the instruments and whatever they have learned in theory, they can perform those experiments in instrument and they can have a correlation between the practical thing as well as a theoretical thing that they have studied. Since the lab is for the students, it is for BSc and MSc students and all the students that are working at GSFC University, they can have hands-on experience on all these instruments under the supervision of faculty. So that can extend their knowledge to a great extent because this is something that is not in the books. Once they explore, once they work on the instrument, they will gain confidence and the knowledge as well.
So sir, as you work here in the lab and also as a professor, so what kind of environment do you find among students and how do you maintain it, maintain a friendly environment among students and among faculties?
Right, so actually the lab which I am sitting in, it is basically a more of interactive lab where we don't have a conventional chemistry kind of setup like burette, test tubes, pipette, those kind of things. All the instruments are these are sophisticated instruments and most of the students, I guess all the students who are coming here from BSc or MSc, they are not seeing these instruments. So there is a high level of curiosity and excitement among students to learn this. So the environment is anyway created just because of instruments and just because of the curiosity of students, because they come here with open mind, they have never operated these things, right? So that actually becomes a very interactive kind of thing.
So lastly, is there any advice that you would like to give to the students who are opting for chemistry?
Yes, just a minute. When anyone actually comes in BSc chemistry or MSc is a different thing. Most of the students, they do not like chemistry probably from their 11th, 12th standard. So if you get into MSc chemistry somehow and you are going to pursue MSc, it stays with you for 5 years. So the only thing that you can do is you learn it and you love it and the subject will love you back.
That's a perfect and crisp advice, I would say. Thank you so much, sir, for being a part of Thoughts of Education.